In this short video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram following and followers lists from prying eyes. Do you want to keep your Instagram activity private? Maybe you're following accounts you don't want others to know about or want to prevent followers from seeing who you follow. Well, you're in luck. This video will show you how to take control of your Instagram privacy. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including gaining more privacy and control over their online presence. Stay with me until the end to discover the 4 ingenious methods. Now let's get started. The first method is to make your profile private. To start, head over to your Instagram profile. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Account Privacy from the menu. Now, toggle the Private Account slider to the on position. You'll be asked to confirm this change, so tap Switch to Private to proceed. When you confirm, it will limit the visibility of your posts, stories, followers list, and following list to only your approved followers. It's important to remember that business accounts can't go private, so you'll need to switch to a personal account first. We have a dedicated video for that. The second method is to remove the followers you want to hide your list from. Making your profile private hides your follower and following lists from people who aren't following you. But people who already follow you will still be able to see these lists. To remove followers you don't want seeing your lists, go to your Instagram profile and tap on your followers count. Scroll through the list and tap the Remove X sign next to the person you want to remove. Tap Remove again to confirm. Now, those people won't be able to see your followers and who you follow. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to hide Instagram followers. Another method is to block specific people. If there are only a few people you want to hide your following and follower list from, you can block them instead of removing them. This will prevent them from seeing your lists, posts, stories, and other information on your profile. To block someone, go to their profile and tap on the 3 dots at the top right. Select Block and confirm. With this, only me can see all followers on Instagram. Another method you may want to try is to create a second account. The most effective way to completely hide your following list is to create a second Instagram account. This way, you can follow accounts you don't want associated with your main profile without anyone knowing. To create a second account, log out of your main Instagram account. Then, create a new account with a different email address or phone number. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple and best steps to create a new Instagram account. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.